Same thing as we said at the start, if he goes back and I move forward, I'm leaving that there. That's got to follow me. It's got to follow me, right? If you hear a jab, boom. See? Can't he step out to that? When I jab, I've got to chase him because the fight works like that. Okay? He's not just going to stand here when I'm sparring and let me hit. He's going to try and avoid it. I don't know why. Some people don't like getting hit. So he's going to try and avoid getting hit. So that, for some strange reason, involves him trying to move away. And that, for some strange reason, involves me trying to chase him. Right? So when you're doing your pad drills, okay, you're doing it a wee bit, okay, a couple of people are doing it. Don't, when I'm throwing the pad drills from you, throw them off, kid, when I'm the pad drill. Here, slip, 1, 2, right, sometimes for there, he's going back, and the pad man's doing this, leaning over. Right, if you feel you're doing that, right, you're too far away from him, right? Can I hit him with my right hand to get the foot moving my feet? Can I hit him in the face without moving my feet? How? No. How? Mandy, come on, help us out, sweetheart.
I'm not straight.
No, no, sorry. Can I hit him feet here?
No, you can't.
Why not?
Because you're not going to reach and he's not no power.
I'm too far away. What tells me that? What tells me I'm too far away?
Well, the distance.
How did I miss him? Right. I need to short distance, but I can't leave my back fence here. And I'd end up here. I can help me! But I can't help with any kind of effect. So if I go forward, I need to drag. I need to drag my back foot. My stance has got to be the same. If I move forward, my stance has got to come from below me, with me. Right? It's basically what? He's got to go forward. Can't he go? Can't leave that there. It doesn't really work. So the pad man, if you feel you're doing that, I should be here. Remember I said about being a compliant partner where you're trying to make it as real as possible? From here, if I'm going to fire, he's fired and slap, right, left, I know the body shot and the left hook. If I was firing him off, I wouldn't fire from here. See, I'm bending my leg, I'd go. See, I'd shut that distance down. So your drill should be consistent of that. Boom, boom. See the stance? Boom, boom. See? So your stance will need to change. You can't do this. Boom. See, I'm no natural then. You know what I mean? I'm not being fair to hands. So try and keep your stance. Okay? Try again, guys.